Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Litecoin in your Phantom wallet and want to transfer it to your Revolut account, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, where crypto transfers are faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're cashing out for everyday spending or just managing your portfolio, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or computer, with some Litecoin in your account. Also, ensure your Revolut app is updated and set up to handle cryptocurrencies. Revolut supports Litecoin deposits directly, so that's a breeze. Step 1. Open the Phantom Wallet app and log into your account. If you haven't already, double-check that your Litecoin is visible in your wallet balance. Step 2. Navigate to your Litecoin holdings. In Phantom, you might need to select the appropriate network. Litecoin uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's connected. Step 3. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button next to your Litecoin balance. This will open a screen where you can enter the recipient details. Step 4. Now, switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto section, select Litecoin, and copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial. Always use the exact address to avoid any mix-ups. Step 5. Back in Phantom, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Step 6. Double-check everything: address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. Step 7. Sit tight while the transaction processes. On the Litecoin network, this usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Once it's confirmed, head back to Revolut to verify that your Litecoin has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin from Phantom to Revolut. Remember, crypto is all about security, so always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any hiccups, check the official support pages for both apps. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.